everybody, I'm Steve with BSB Motorsports, and today in the shop we are working on a 2002 Gen 2 Coupe RT10, and the problem that our customer is having is an overheating condition. So I want to show you a little bit about what we found with that and what we're doing to fix this issue when it comes up. So here we have the water pump out of this car. This car has about 36,000 miles on it, and what we've been finding on these Gen 2s is you'll see literally the impeller will come loose on the shaft for the water pump. So this is going to cause reduction in coolant flow, which will lead to overheating, and that's what we're seeing on this car here. So what we're doing at BSP is we're taking these cores and we're sending them out to be refurbished. These water pumps are not available anywhere, guys. Everything we have to work with is going to be old parts off of other cars. So what we're doing is we're sending them out for refurbishing, upgrading them with a metal billet wheel that is staked onto the shaft, so we won't have any issue like that in the future. Of course, it looks a whole lot better, but it's going to perform the way it needs to, and you can't get these things anywhere else. So definitely keep us in mind for all your cooling system needs on your Gen 2 Vipers, and stick with us for more. We are constantly making moves and innovations to keep these parts available for you guys in your Vipers.